How to secretly record videos on your Android with the screen off. Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we'll show you how you can secretly record videos on your Android phone with the screen completely off. So let's just get started. So you can go to Google Play Store and search for apps here directly. Go to the search and you can search for background video recorder or something similar. Just go ahead and search for it or hidden camera record or something like that and find the specific ad that you think is suitable for you. And look out for the install option. The one with the good reviews should be more easier. So just go ahead and find it. After that, go ahead and install it. After you do so, you can just go ahead and give all the necessary permissions for the specific application you downloaded. For example, let's say I downloaded this X recorder. So you can long press on it, go to the info section at the top, and from there you can just go over to permissions, tap on it, and you can just go ahead and give permissions. So if there is permission called record with screen off, you can even go ahead and give it, or within the application itself. Let me just show you. When you open up the app like this and go ahead and access their settings, go to the settings option like this. You may just go ahead and look out for the option to record with screen off or background recording. So if you find that option right here, we have this option called record with screen off. So you may turn on this option, this one right here like this. And when you turn it on, you can it will basically record the screen even when you turn off your device. And that is it. You can even try getting a shortcut if available within the app, and that should also help you. After that is done, you can start recording, and now you can turn your screen off, and the video will still continue recording in the background. So you can just follow up the process. That's it. That's how you can secretly record videos on your Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.